Hi, this is John from Learning Chinese blog, and today I'm going to talk to you about a cool new feature. Well, maybe it's not new, but it's a good feature to have if you're using Mozilla Firefox, and it's a Chinese dictionary that can be used in your browser to read Chinese characters online. So first, if you don't have Mozilla Firefox, please install that. And then once you've opened up Mozilla, you go into your Tools menu and you're going to go to Add-ons. And I already have my Add-ons Manager open here, so I'm going to just open that up. And now this shows you everything you have installed on your computer already. So to find the dictionary that we're looking for, we're going to go over here to the right-hand side and it says Search All Add-ons. I'm just going to type in P-E-R-A for Para and hit Enter. And in the list here, it's going to come up with one. It says PeraPera Chinese Pop-Up Dictionary 9.0. So to get that working, just hit Install over here on the right-hand side. And it'll download in about a second. And then you have a little warning. It says PeraPera Chinese will be installed after you restart Firefox. So go ahead and restart that now. And it comes popping back up. And if you go into your extensions over here, you can see that it's installed. I'm just going to shrink this down a little bit so I can see it better. So here it is. If you need to remove it later, you can just hit this button over here on the right, remove, or you can turn it off, whatever. So how can you use this? So let's go back to, you can close your add-ons manager. Now let's go back. I have some Chinese websites open here. Here's one for, it's like a kid's website, and so here's how it works. So if I want to just see, normally when I just highlight things or scroll over top of them, nothing happens. If I turn on Para, which is over here in the top right corner, see it's dark, and when I click it, it's going to turn yellow. But it's going to come up first and ask you, a dictionary index needs to be created. So go ahead and just click OK. That's going to download the dictionary and get all that stuff installed. Now after you've clicked it, it turns yellow. As you can see up here, it's bright yellow, a little yellow star. And if you want to turn it off, you can just click it again. But every time you turn it on, it's going to come up with this little box. It'll pop up for a little bit, and it's going to tell you some shortcuts or whatever. If you need to know more about it, you can go in here to the options menu, and it'll bring up everything you need. You can change the icon to, I don't know, if you want to be in Taiwan or China, or whatever country, or you can just leave it as a little star. I just like the little star. Keyboard shortcuts are all listed here. Pop-up things, you can change the color of the pop-up windows. You can change how they come up with simplified or traditional. You know, it's your choice, and you can decide if they want pinyin, tone marks, or tone numbers, or Juin pinyin from Taiwan, like a Bopomofo. You can change all those things in there. So to use this, just highlight something, and it's going to show you what it means. So right here, it just says Taipei. So these are the two characters for type, as we know in English, Taipei. So it just says here, capital of Taiwan. That's good. It's very simple to use. So what is this? So this is a Taipei report or news. So this is how you can learn Chinese online. Now, this program doesn't translate sentences as a whole, but what it does is just gives you an idea of what these elements in the sentence mean. So you're going to have to use your understanding of Chinese grammar to just figure out what they mean. So if you were to go to like here's a Yahoo page, you know, just to read the headlines. So what is this? You know, this, you know, it's going to be a little tricky, but you know, practicing a little bit and you can get it. And this program will help you a lot anytime you need to read something online. So it's great for Facebook as well. If you have friends who are writing to you in Chinese and you don't understand what they're talking about, you can use this to read it. So try it out. Let me know what you think. You can always find me here on Learning Chinese blog. Please check us out. It's www.learningchineseblog.com. And we're always adding stuff and new features and things, and just stuff about different tools. I have a page here for the dictionary already. So if you need that, you can come on here and look. I have some directions on how to install it. There's information about myself and my wife here. So come by, stop by, check it out, and let us know what you think. Thanks.